Hey, what up YouTube? Here's a 5T review. I know the OnePlus 5.6 came out, but this phone's price has dropped and you might be interested in getting it. And the specs is the screen has a 21 by 60 by 1080p AMOLED screen, and it has Android 8.1 Oreo Oxygen OS. And the CPU, it has a Snapdragon 835. And RAM, you have two choices of RAM. It has a 6 and 8. This one right here is a 8. And you also have a choice in storage between 64 and 128 gigs. This one is a 128 gigs. And in the rear, it has a 16 main and a 20 megapixel low light camera. And on the front, it has another 16 megapixel camera, and it has dual SIM cards, so you can put dual SIM cards, and it has fast charging. It will charge the phone like in 30 minutes, the whole 100%. I've had this phone for about 7 months, and it's been the greatest phone I've ever had. It also came with this protector, which is like not the best, but it protects the phone. And this is what it looks like. It has no scratches on there. I would have thought this, if I get this to focus. It's not going to focus. But I've always had phones where they scratch the back camera, the rear cameras, and when you take pictures they look really crappy. This one has not scratched, not even the front one, so I'm impressed. And it takes amazing pics, and I'll be showing you guys a video here shortly of a video test on this phone, front and back. And it's just a great phone. YouTube, this is the video test I was telling you guys about. And here's some random birds, and let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Some plants, giant plants. The birdies. Hey, what up YouTube? This is the front camera test. This is the same birds. I think the camera looks pretty good. I don't know, leave comments down below guys on what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked this video, and like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.